In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot integration with QuickBooks Online. This is a useful way to streamline your business operations by connecting your customer data with your financial records. Let's dive right into the process and make it as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to the HubSpot user guide. This is your home base for the integration process, and it's where we'll begin our journey. So, open up your web browser and access the HubSpot user guide. This guide is a rich resource tailored to help you maximize your use of HubSpot, especially when it comes to integrating with other applications like QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the user guide page, direct your attention to the Marketplace section. The Marketplace is essentially HubSpot's app store, and it's here that we'll search for the QuickBooks application. Clicking on the Marketplace icon will lead you into a world of possibilities where third-party apps and integrations can elevate your HubSpot experience. Inside the Marketplace, you'll notice there's a whole array of apps you can connect with. However, our focus today is on QuickBooks, so go ahead and click on the Apps section. This will help refine your search to specific applications that can enhance your workflow. Now that you're in the Apps section, it's time to type QuickBooks into the search field. This will filter the results and bring QuickBooks right to the top of the list. This part of the process is incredibly crucial, as it directs you straight to the app you wish to integrate, making the search seamless and efficient. When you see QuickBooks appear in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This action will allow you to delve into the app's details, where you'll find comprehensive insights about the integration capabilities, user reviews, and potential benefits for your business operations. With QuickBooks now up on your screen, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is to click on Install App. This will initiate the installation process, integrating QuickBooks with your HubSpot account. The installation process is typically straightforward, though if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to refer back to the user guide or contact HubSpot support for assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of integrating HubSpot with QuickBooks Online. Remember, this integration is designed to make running your business more efficient, enabling you to focus on what's most important, growing your business. Whether you're tracking customer interactions or managing finances, having these systems work harmoniously brings countless advantages. Feel free to explore other integrations to see how they can further support your business goals. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy integrating.